All right, it's box number 2. And this one is a bit lighter than the first one. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see what this says. ATOMY Slim Body Applephenon Jelly Stick. Let's open this up and see. Oh, okay, so it is little sticks, kind of firm. It's a firm jelly inside. Let's open it and see. Okay. Put it to the camera. Oh my gosh, it is jelly! Ah! Look at it, it wiggles back and forth. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, yeah, and it definitely smells like green apple. It smells like candy. Okay, all right. Well, it looks like I'm gonna try this. Let's see what the flavor's like. Like it feels just like a regular jelly. It tastes really good. It has a really like very distinct, strong apple taste. And the thing I like, often with like diet products, they use a lot of artificial sweeteners and you can taste it, right? You can taste that artificial sweetener smell. It doesn't have that at all. This is good. But if it tastes as good, I'm a little curious of like how effective it is. I can't imagine something like this like just working really well. Let's look at what it says. Okay, so it's saying on the ATOMY website that green apples actually have about 10 times the amount of polyphenols as regular apples. And if you have 2 of these in a single day, it's like eating 45 green apples. My stomach could not fit 45 green apples even if I ate it over the entire day. So to have that amount of polyphenols in these 2 packages is really great. But if you're eating this, yes, polyphenols are great, but what you're really wanting are the diet effects, right? So ATOMY has done some research into this. Let's pull it up here. And it says when they were doing research that people who ate Applephenon every day for 12 weeks saw a decrease in their weight and their waist size, their hip size, their visceral fat in their abdomen. Yeah, that's definitely nice. And then, their overall BMI decreased after the 12 weeks. And then, this is the point. Okay, so even after the 12 weeks were over, they maintained their low weight for another 4 weeks after, even after they stopped eating the Applephenon. That's quite effective. I mean, yes, while you're dieting, it's very easy sometimes to lose weight, but keeping the weight off is the hard part, right? So the fact that this has an effect even after you stop taking it, that's quite great. Can I take these home?
Oh, the rest of it? Oh, yeah, you may take it.
I can?
Yeah.
I mean, you can't sell it.
Yeah, right?
Okay. Oh, God.